Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to download posts or reels from Instagram. It's pretty easy, so let's take a look. So what I have to do is go to my browser on my phone and I'm going to write Save Insta. There are multiple websites that are going to allow you to download those posts or reels, but by now I'm going to use this one, Save Insta. Almost all those websites function in the same way, so there's no problem. So when you click on it, you have to enter the URL of the image you want to download from Instagram. So I'm going to my Instagram and I'm going to look for that post or reel I want to download. Let's make an example with this one. So on top of this reel, I have three dots. I'm going to click on it. I have several options. Perhaps you're going to see a different menu. I'm going now to the first option. And here at the bottom of the screen, I have this option, copy link, the second one. So I have copied the link. So I'm going back to my browser and I'm going to paste that link there and click on the button View. Once you have done that, you have to scroll down a little more. There is going to be the image or video of your post or reel. And below that, you're going to have that button, Download Video. If you download it, there's going to load a little. You have to click on Download Video again. And right now, the file is downloading. So you have to wait for it. And if you go to your gallery on your phone, you're going to have that video or photo, whatever you want. So that's it. Almost. If you have any link from Instagram, you can download it from this webpage, saveinsta.com.